Oop, slipping belt. This sander came at just the right time, thanks Ross. It's a bloody beauty. My sander has a burnt out motor, so thanks heaps, mate. I reckon this wheel would have come off easier if I loosened the grub screw another half turn. New belts cost about 20 bucks, but before I buy one, I'll try turning this one around backwards. Now to cannibalise this part and retrofit it to my new sander.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed?
What you're seeing here is a longer bolt and a spacer to bring the bracket down to make it fit.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
This is the third video in my repair-a-thon. Tomorrow is a simple repair. Getting the part is the hardest thing. Hey, click my notification bell so you don't miss my next video.